Hey guys, today I am doing a spring makeup look. Really, I just wanted to sit down and get ready with you guys because I'm about to go out for lunch. So I figured why not sit down and film it. I think I'm going to do like a peachy makeup look today, but most of the base products and the routine that I'm doing is kind of like my everyday routine when I do end up wearing makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. Oh, I wanted to also show you guys this new sweater that I knitted and completed. I don't know if it looks so washed out on camera right now, but it is kind of this like multicolored speckled cardigan. I didn't end up doing buttons because I don't know, I just didn't feel like it this time, but yeah, finished it. Finally, it took me a really long time because I was kind of just working on it on the side of my desk, sort of. But I did film it this time. I filmed the process, so I will hopefully have that video out soon, like the entire sweater from start to finish. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this new sweater. So I'm gonna start with my primer, which is the Milani Soft Focus Glue in the shade Bronze Glow. I'm already feeling quite tanned. It was super sunny this past weekend. That's kind of why I wanted to pull this product out again. I'm pretty sure I chose it for the month of May to use, and I actually don't think I've used it much. So today is the day. All it is really is a glowy primer that gives your skin a nice, fresh, bronzy tint to it. It's really nice in the summer. Look at this lovely situation here too. It's really nice in the summer because it gives you such a pretty, healthy glow. Then I'm going to use my Catrice One Drop Coverage Foundation Concealer. I love this concealer when I am not wearing foundation because it really blends into my skin so nicely. It doesn't look heavy or cakey or anything, and you can kind of use it all over, and it just looks super natural and just like your skin, really. So I've been loving this one for days when I'm not wearing foundation, which is most of the time, honestly. When I am wearing makeup, it's usually just concealer. So I don't know when this video will be coming out, but a lot has changed recently. It's been a very eventful spring for me. I actually quit my job, and I've been there for 7 years. I started there in May 2015, so it's been like 7 years at that one organization. I basically started when I was like a baby there. Not a baby, but like still in university. But I quit, and I am starting a new job on May 30th. So depending on when this video comes out, I've already either started or I will be starting very soon. So really excited about that. But that was a big, big change in my life. It was weird. Like, you don't think you would get emotional about something like that, but I definitely did. Also because everyone's kind of working from home, so when I went in to like return my stuff and like clear out my desk, nobody was in the office, so it was especially weird to say goodbye. Oh, I really hate this. It's like a dry patch plus an actual pimple, and it's just ruining my whole look. Bronzer, I am almost done, so it's basically gone. There's like a little bit left. It's the Rimmel Insta contour stick. Actually, I might put it into the empties after this video because nothing left. I'm so happy about that. That took forever to use up. I feel like I've been working away at that product for a really long time. It is really nice though. It's such a pretty warm bronzer. Oh yeah, this is my week off. I ended on the 20th and I start on the 30th of May, so I took some nice time off in between, which I think was smart. I would really recommend it if you are quitting and starting a new job to take off time in between, because it feels great to not have anything to do or any responsibilities. Blush is Wet n Wild's MegaGlo Makeup Stick in the shade Hustle and Glow. I like to apply it on my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose and also a little bit on my chin. Anyways, that's been my May so far, kind of adjusting to some big changes. Oh, I went to Avril Lavigne this week, which was so good. Oh my gosh. You know, like there's like those singers or artists that are just like icons of their era. And you know how you kind of feel more attached to artists, actors, singers, bands that you've loved as a kid. I feel like they imprint on you in some way. Robin Williams, Johnny Depp, like all of those actors you kind of grow attached to, and I feel like it's because they imprint on us in childhood. Also, I'm just using the highlight side of this Rimmel contour stick. But what was I saying? Avril Lavigne was one of those for me because I grew up listening to her songs. And then when she was coming to Vancouver, I was like, I gotta go. And I bought tickets kind of last minute. Me and my friend just, you know, spur of the moment decided to buy tickets. We actually didn't know she was coming. I feel like there was no advertisement about it here. Like I had no idea she was coming. I thought she was coming in July with Machine Gun Kelly, which I wasn't super interested in. It just so happened that she was here in Vancouver for Bite Me and there were still tickets left. So we bought them a week before the event, and I'm so glad we did. It was such a good experience. I loved it so much. Wet n Wild powder, Photofocus powder. I don't know, you just feel such a connection to these artists from our childhood that like, you know all the lyrics to her songs. I don't know, you like connect to them in a different way. Like I feel like I could never grow to love actors or singers or bands as much as the ones I grew up loving when I was a kid. Kind of just using this powder all over because I have a lot of cream on my face right now, so trying to not look that oily. I'm going to spritz my face with the NYX Bear With Me. I don't know why I shook it. You don't need to. Setting spray. Whew. I'm going to let that dry, apply my brows, and then I will be back. So moving on to eyeshadow, or actually eyeliner first. I'm using the ColourPop Juniper eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line. This is what I have been doing as my makeup for a long time. Anyway, I'm really nervous and excited for my new job. I think it's going to be a lot of work. Like definitely it was a step up for me and it's going to be a ton of work, but I am excited at the same time. I feel like it's just what I need in my life right now. I'm going to use the Paris palette from Focallure. I picked this one for May and I feel like I've never used it on camera for you guys and I feel kind of bad about that, but I'm going to take the shade Elise. I think I've updated you guys already, but I am going to be visiting Scotland this summer and Ireland and also Montreal, which I've never been to Montreal, so I'm really excited for that. I'm going to apply this shade on the lid as well as under my eye. I'm very excited because I've never visited Montreal. If you're from Scotland or Montreal and you have tips for what I should do when I'm there, I'm about 4 days only in each. If you have any tips for either Edinburgh or Montreal, let me know. Any recommendations, places I need to go visit, food I need to eat when I'm there, for sure, let me know. I'm going to take a slightly smaller, skinnier brush and go into the shade Bastille, which is a shimmer, well, like a metallic shade, but I like it to line my eyes with for some reason. I don't know. I think I've been really into like using shimmery shades as eyeliner. I don't know, I think it gives a different look than using the matte shades. Let me know also if you want me to do like a packing video, packing vlog. I can show you guys what I'm gonna take with in terms of like clothes, makeup, how I'm gonna pack it and things like that. Let me know if you're interested in something like that. Take this brush, it's clean, well I mean it's not super clean, but it doesn't have any product on it. I'm just going to use it to kind of smudge out that Bastille shade into the outer corner. And I think the last step is going to be to add a little bit of Monet, which is this glittery shade, and I'm going to add it to my lid. Nobody does glitters like Focallure. They definitely do the best glittery shades that I've ever tried. That's kind of it for the eyeshadow. It's really simple usually. That's how I've been tending to do my makeup lately. I'm gonna just quickly apply some mascara, pop back on for the lips, and that'll be this video complete. I think I'm gonna go in with the NYX Shine Loud lipstick in the shade Ambition Statement because I am going out to lunch, like I said, and I don't want to worry about my lipstick, and this one lasts forever. So the trick with this product is to let it completely dry. Do not smack your lips together. Do not rub them together. Like let it completely dry. It takes about 30 seconds, and then you're good to go. You could also apply the gloss on top, which I'm going to do even though I'm eating. I think I'm just going to do it anyways because I feel like this look needs a glossy lip. But yeah, that's kind of it for the updates in my life. It's been busy, so I haven't been filming so much lately. I'm not leaving YouTube. I feel like I just haven't been posting a lot lately, but I have no plans to like stop doing videos entirely. It's just been tricky to kind of manage my work-life balance. Plus, I've been going away on the weekends, and it's been nice to like be able to do things again and not stay in my apartment. So I know that I haven't posted a lot lately. I'm just gonna go in with the gloss. But I don't have any plans to like quit YouTube. It's just tricky to manage my schedule these days. I think I'll get back into the groove of things eventually, but I'll probably have to stick to just doing one video a week for now. Oh, and a little personal update for you guys. I don't really share a lot of my personal life on YouTube. I feel like if you follow my Instagram, you'll be aware of everything going on. Oh, I haven't posted on my like Chris Glam Instagram in a while, but you can follow me on the Chris Cam on Instagram if you want. That's like my personal one, and I am way more active on that one. Not really posting, but more like active on my stories and things like that, so you can follow me there. Well, you might have already guessed because Lila has been in a lot of my videos. She's a really cute golden retriever, but she belongs to someone. Obviously, she's not mine. I'm not allowed pets in my building. I've met someone, and I met him back in October. His name's Kevin. He doesn't have Instagram or anything, but he might pop up on my Instagram at some point, like when I share photos. Maybe you will meet him one day. I don't know. I probably not. I don't think he would ever come on my channel. But yeah, that's another little update for you guys. And that also has kind of changed my schedule as well. I think before I would just be like at home doing nothing and filming videos. So now I'm like hanging out with Kevin and Lila a lot more. So it really cuts into my filming time. No excuses. I promise I will have more videos out soon, and that completes this makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a really quick get ready with me, but this is kind of how I've been doing my makeup lately. Really simple, quick to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Stay tuned if you want to see me make the sweater. I'll have a tutorial up very soon. But yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next one.